Want to own land without stress? Here is a few steps of how to secure your own plots of land. Step 1. Choose your estate. Pick from our available estates in prime location. Step 2. Inspection. Book a site inspection, see it, love it, own it. Step 3. Payment plan. Choose from our flexible payment plan that suits you. Step 4. Allocation. Get your allocation and your official documents, the land secured. It's that easy. Secure your plots today and start building tomorrow's legacy.